Hi there, I'm Paula Deen, and down south there's nothing we love more than a good old-fashioned fish fry. So today I'm going to grab my fishing pole and take you straight to the source. I hope they're biting today because we're going to need to fry some nice fresh catfish to a gorgeous golden brown. But before that, a light Georgia cracker salad that's just delicious. So y'all jump in your waders and get ready for tasty times. All right, I promised y'all cracker salad, and that's what we're fixing to make next. How many times have you gone to bed and realized, well, you were hungry and just wanted a little something to eat? And I'm bad about going to the kitchen and just getting out a soda cracker and smeared it with a little mayonnaise, and that'll fill up that hunger, and then I'll go on to bed. So this cracker salad is kind of the same thing as that mayonnaise smeared on the cracker. All you do is take your saltines and crush them. And you can do it just with your hand, just like this, because they crush very easily. And then we're going to put a chopped tomato. We're going to put a hard-boiled egg. Make sure all the shell's off of him. And I'm just going to take him and squeeze him in my hand like that. So he'll be in coarse, big pieces. And we're going to put some green onion in there. And this will give it some nice color and onion flavor at the same time. And we're going to just moisten this with mayonnaise. And you can start with just a little, because remember, you can always add to, but you can't take out. Once you got it in there, it's too late. When I serve Georgia cracker salad, I mix this up right before I call my guests to the table, because I love the crunchiness that the crackers give you, because after it sits, it'll get soggy, and some people just love it that way, but my personal preference is the crispiness of the crackers. So I've added a little bit more mayonnaise, and I'm going to put in a little fresh ground pepper. And I'm going to add just a little salt, not much, because remember, your saltine crackers have salt. And if you like a creamier texture, by all means, add some more mayonnaise, because this is strictly a personal preference. And just in a matter of a couple of minutes, we have Georgia cracker salad. What a fun little dish. Crunchy and delicious. We're ready to plate this up now, and I'll show you how I do it at the restaurant. It just gives it a little finished look. I'm going to put just a little lettuce on a plate. And I have found what works very well for cracker salad is just an old ice cream scoop. And we're just going to scoop it. All this needs is a little sprig of parsley, and it's ready to serve. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.